All right, guys, let's replace this Dolly wheel. First thing you need to do, get rid of this little chingadera right here. And it comes off. It's a little bit of a pain. I tried using some needle nose vice grips, and that didn't quite do the trick. Needed some WD-40. And then I upgraded to the actual bigger vice grips, and I kind of just shimmied it off and eventually just started turning like counterclockwise after that WD-40 kind of soaked in a little bit, and eventually turning in this manner, it came off. And happy to get this little thing off intact without having to break it, or that way I wouldn't have to replace it and go to the store and buy another one. And there it is right there. And put that aside. The old wheel comes off. I picked up a new one over at Harbor Freight, $9.99. Can't go wrong. And you know what? The new wheel doesn't match the other wheel, but that's okay. Who cares? It gives the Dolly a little more character. And you know what? When that other wheel goes bad, I'll just replace that as well. $10, can't beat it. Now the trick is get this little guy back on without breaking it. And I figured, okay, it went on or came off counterclockwise. Let me just twist it on clockwise, and there you go, twisting it on all the way close to the bottom. And then I used a little trick to get it all the way in there. Just go to your toolbox, wherever you keep your sockets, grab yourself a big old socket. That way, when you tap it down that last little way, the pressure goes all the way around, and you don't bend it on one side or the other. You kind of evenly distribute the pressure, and there it goes. Good to go, man. Pump it up, and you are done. So that was less than 2 minutes. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. You hot? You want to go inside?